This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2024 Enola Sportsmen Club Annual Father's Day Car Show. The field is full, as usual. Breakfast is being served, and the cars are still rolling in. Let's take a walkabout, shall we? Keeping in the vein of a bit of muscle over here. It's funny is that the mixer is great. Got bikes, nice little Monte Carlo. I'm always intrigued with the Monte Carlo. It can be a luxury coupe or it can be a muscle machine. Love this little Acura. Like I said, the mix is excellent. Look at that thing, jeez. What's amazing, out of 2 or 2.4 liter, they will pull over 400 horsepower. So M-Class, we like that. BMW M5, that's 2001. And of course we've got Bandit. Always have to have a Bandit, you know that. 6.6, properly done with T-tops and the honeycomb wheels. That is gorgeous. Funny is the way how Firebird actually saved the F-bodies because the Camaro sales were beginning to drop off, but the Smokey and the Bandit really saved them with sales. Yeah, that's Roush. Beautiful 350 GT. Thank you, Carol Shelby. You done good. Oh, that's cool. Look at this. That is nice. That is nice. Of course, signed by Old Shell himself. A little bit more modern muscle compared to the Shelby. Come on, the Mach 1. Oh, Z28. It's a 78. No, it's not that new. 79. It is that new. Manual transmission. Good. 78. Versus 68 and 67. That's kind of cool. Little 350 SS RS. Interesting center console on that. This is beautiful little 350 and the 67. Now, besides the side markers, what's the difference between the 68 and the 67? On a quick identification, vent windows. Kind of cool. Again, 68. There we go. Nice little T-top Monty.
You know what? I keep telling everybody, I'm 66.
Nova.
And I keep telling everybody, you know, it's like...
That's built a little bit. I don't think that's the original 6. Beautiful Buick 8. You're gonna persecute me on this one because I'm not quite sure what year it is. I'm going to say it's about a 47, or it might be actually pre-war because the pontoons don't go into the doors, so it might be a 41. Does not say on the inspection stickers, unfortunately so. New York it does, which is kind of cool. There we go. There's the perfect competition. Got the 55 bird and the Corvette. That is 7, I think it is. Beautiful. Yep, 7. A toothy grill is really pretty cool.
There you go, dear.
Thank you. The everyone has it. The 68.
Excuse me.
Oh, no worries. Don't worry about it. Enjoy. I like the Box Nova. Another Mark 1.